kids, I'm Courtney Roulston and today I'll be sharing a recipe with you from my home. The recipe we'll be cooking today is from the Stephanie Alexander Kitchen Garden Foundation and in partnership with Coles is designed to support kitchen garden kids at home. So watch along and let's have some fun together. All right, the recipe we'll be making today is a leek and mixed pea risotto. It's a really comforting, creamy dish and it's a really simple one for your kids at home to make. I've got a damp cloth and I'm just going to place this underneath my chopping board. And that tea towel underneath the board ensures we've got a nice, stable surface to chop on. So we're using some chicken stock for this recipe, but you could use vegetable stock if you wanted to keep this vegetarian. And we just want to pour 1.5 litres of stock into our pot to get warmed up. And the peas I'm using today are some snow peas, beautiful, fresh, sweet snow peas. And we can prepare these while our stock is heating up. So we just want to click off the top and pull down, and that takes the stringy bits, which can be a bit tough to eat. All right, that's our last pea trimmed. I've given these a good wash, and we want to slice them down the middle, and that gives us a nice flat surface. And you just want nice slices of leek. Okay, we can see the steam coming off our stock here. So that tells me our stock is nice and warm. And I'm just going to place this next to our cooker. And I'm going to pop our large pan on to heat up. To start our risotto, we need some extra virgin olive oil. We're then going to pop in our leeks in with our oil. Put a little pinch of sea salt in to start our seasoning. We don't want to get any colour on the leeks. We just want to soften them down at this stage. So a nice medium heat with your pan. So now that the leeks are beautiful and sweet and soft, we can sprinkle in our arborio rice. And you want to give the rice 1 or 2 minutes with the leeks just to get them coated in the oil. And we just want to add in our warm stock a couple of ladles at a time. So we just need to stir until you can't see any more liquid. And then we know we can add in some more stock. Okay, so we just need to repeat that process. Keep it on a low to medium heat and keep stirring. And we're going to repeat that process for around 20 minutes. And this has still got a couple of minutes to go. So now is a good time that we can put in our snow peas. Snow peas are really tender and sweet and they don't take a lot of cooking. So we can add them in just for the last couple of minutes. Stir them through. I've got some beautiful mint and flat leaf parsley, and this is going to give a beautiful freshness to our risotto. Just to add some richness, I've got some butter. Sprinkle our herbs and some of our Parmesan cheese. Give this all a mix through, mix our butter and our peas. I think all we need to do is to get this into a bowl now. It's so tasty. There you have it, kids. That is the leek and mixed pea risotto from the Stephanie Alexander Kitchen Garden Foundation. It's a vibrant and comforting dish. It's lots of stirring, but most of all, it's lots of fun. I hope you've enjoyed watching along, and as always, happy cooking, kids.